What is up, everybody? I actually just woke up. I don't have any makeup on. I have a lot to do, but I needed to record this video for you to document this journey that I'm on with Amazon online advertising and scaling books. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane, and I've been building a passive income for Amazon KDP for the past 16 months, and a big part of my success has been using Amazon ads. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new strategy. I turned these ads on yesterday and I wanted to document it so we can come back and see what the results are. This is good if you have a niche that's doing well, if you have books in a niche that's doing well. Typically, I don't turn on any ads until they're validated and I feel like, okay, this is working. Let's go do this. If you aren't seeing any sales in your account, it and you want to do ads, you need to make sure that you have a niche that has a fair amount of searches and has low competition. That's really kind of the foundation. So this ad strategy that I'm sharing with you is called the double lottery. And this is based off of lottery ads. Lottery ads is taking a bunch of books and putting them in a sponsored product, standard ad, automatic campaign, those 3 steps. And then you let Amazon show your book to so many different customers, and you can typically get a really low ACost, and the ACost is a percentage of how much ad spend you put to be able to get the sales. So for us that self-publish, we're mostly interested in profits, right? It's great to get sales, but we need to know that we're making profits so we can reinvest the profits into our ads. That was a really important part of my journey, was to be able to repurpose my profits back into ads to scale. So this is the double lottery strategy. Essentially, if you guys follow my channel, you know that I had 150 blocked books on Amazon KDP. I never got a clear answer what the blocked books were from, but I have a feeling that there was someone that wanted to compete in my niche and they reported these books, and then Amazon did an audit, and for whatever reason they blocked the books. Now, fast forward 5 or 6 months, I'm researching these books and I'm learning that they had Canva Pro elements in them and on the covers, and no one really, I don't think, would be able to identify that. That's me, right? I know that. And I have been following up with all the conversations about Canva Pro elements because many of you have interpreted to be able to publish Canva Pro elements as owning the copyright. And some of you have mentioned that you've emailed Amazon KDP for clarification on this. And I think those are really great steps for you to take for your account. For me, I am more comfortable trying to design and create my own assets to be able to replace Canva Pro elements to feel more peace about clicking the button that I own the copyright. So these 9 books are books that I'm working to, I want to replace the 150 that got blocked, and I want to do it by the end of the year. I don't know if it's realistic, but I want to get that back up before Christmas. It is almost June at the time of this recording, and Christmas in July, you want to start thinking about how you want your Q4 to go because it can be a game changer. My first December on KDP, I made $7,000. That was my highest month. And then I went on to the next month and made 11 grand. So those have been my 2 peak, and I didn't really prepare for Q4. I told myself, this next year, you need to prepare for Q4. So part of my preparation for Q4 is starting now. If you guys have interest in what a list of things to prepare for Q4, then just put Q4 list in the comments. And I definitely think that's a conversation that we can talk about. Okay, so I've got 9 new books in my winning niche. And so I'm going to turn on double lottery ads. You might be thinking like, Jenny, you haven't sold any of these books yet. You're right, but I had books that were blocked and I have a niche that people kind of like what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn on a standard ad. Very first, I'm not doing custom. I've actually never done a custom ad before. Okay, inside of custom ad, I'm doing a manual campaign. And then inside of there, I'm picking these 9 books. And then what I'm doing is I'm doing a manual product target. And let me move this over. I am actually going to take the data from books that are selling in this niche that are not mine. I'm going to use those ASINs and I'm going to target my books to those books. Some of them are in the top 10 in their category. Some of them are priced higher. So I'm kind of taking this double lottery strategy is taking a lot of different approaches from the Bids and Budget Masterclass, which I need to rename because now there's 18 programs in there, 18 trainings. Pardon me. So when I pick these 9, maybe I need to do a video on that, but I'm picking things that are selling that I think my customer would like. Some of them have an okay BSR under 300. Some have a BSR of under 5,000. Okay. Some of them are similar in terms of low content. Like if they like this notebook, maybe they'll like this notebook. So that is the double lottery that I'm running that I started yesterday. And I want to put this here so I can do double lottery update video. So if you are new to ads, it can be a really cool place. It can be a really cool place to test things out, especially when you are kind of got your momentum going and you want to niche down further and you want to scale your profits. So let me know what questions you have. And I guess, yeah, I want to know. So a little bit background. I'm creating these books from Midjourney. I'm using those. And I have joined my attorney's coaching program so I can get really straight on all the laws. Maybe I need to do a video on his coaching program so you guys can follow along and learn from my mistakes. All right. Love you. Peace out.